Good morning, students. Have a nice day. Students, today we are going to discuss our new point of shape twin, that is step 12 of shape twin. Shape twin is it is a one type of creating animation. Okay, now listen, students. Select one frame 1 and press enter to see the animation. Okay, for seeing animation, what is the process? Select a frame and press enter. Okay, you can click on various frames to see how Adobe Flash has slowly changed one shape into another. Next the motion twin. In motion twin, the position of an object is changed from one place to another. However, you only need to draw the object at the start position and at the end position. The frame between the start and the end frames are automatically created by Flash on its own showing as the object has changed its position. Let us try this out. Okay, this is the first step of motion twin. Open a new Flash document. Step second, draw a circle using the oval tool. Okay, this is the new Flash document and this is the new circle. With the help of oval tool, you can draw the circle. With this property, select stroke color, fill color and increase the width of the stroke in the properties inspector panel. Okay, note that the circle must be created near any of the edge of the stage and not in the center to see the movement from one edge to the other edge. Step third, press cursor plus A to select the entire drawing. Step 4, okay, for selecting whole drawing, press cursor plus A. Step 4, press cursor plus G to make the drawing a single object by grouping. Step 5, click on the selection tool. Okay, student, this is the selection tool. This is present in the tool panel. Step 6, click on insert, then click on motion twin. You will notice, okay students, 1 minute. That your drawing is now surrounded by a sequence with a plus sign in the top left corner and there is a small circle in the center of your drawing. Step 7, click and drag your drawing to a new position. Drag means what? Drag means on clicking, माउस को क्लिक करते उसको हिलाना. ठीक है, उसको बटन को प्रेस करने के बाद उसको हिलाना. इस प्रोसेस को ड्रैगिंग कहा जाता है स्टूडेंट्स. क्लिक एंड ड्रैग योर ड्राइंग to a new position. Release the mouse button to drop your drawing at the new position. A new arrow will appear on the stage showing a path on which your drawing will move. Step 8. Click on frame 1 and press enter to see the animation showing your circle moving from one place to another. In this way, circle moving from a plus sign in the top left corner. Okay, 1 minute students. This is the, okay students, now the circle moves from this point to this point. Okay, when you start your animation, this is one type of animation. Okay, here is animation is working. No more, by default Flash creates a motion twin in 25 frames. If you increase the number of frames, the speed of the animation will decrease. By default Flash के कितने frames होते हैं? 25. अगर आप और frames को बढ़ाओगे तो जो होगा वो properly work नहीं करेगा, उसका speed slow हो जाएगा. If you decrease the number of frames, the speed of animation will increase. अगर आपने एनिमेशन फ्रेम की संख्या कम की तो एनिमेशन क्या होगा, वो प्रॉपरली दिखेगा, वो प्रॉपरली वर्क करेगा. टू चेंज द नंबर ऑफ फ्रेम्स, hover your mouse pointer over the timeline below the frame number 25 till it changes to a double side arrow. Click and drag the mouse towards right or left to increase or decrease the number of frames. Okay, click and drag the mouse towards right or left to increase or decrease the number of the frames. Okay students, now the next point. This is the now frame by frame. Okay, what is frame by frame? Frame by frame, it is the third type of creating animation. A frame by frame animation is one in which you can make changes in every frame on your own. This technique is generally used when a new object is to be inserted in each frame or you need to change properties like color and stroke of your object. Okay, To create animation for a blinking star or a color changing star, follow this step. Okay, this is the animation for blinking star. Blinking means what? इसको ये चला जाना फिर से इसको ब्लिंकिंग कहा जाता है. और नेक्स्ट इज अ चेंज ऑफ द स्टार, चेंज द कलर ऑफ द स्टार. दिस इज येलो कलर एंड दिस इज चेंजेस इनटू पिंक कलर. Step first, open a new flash document, select the polystar tool, open new flash document. This is the new flash document and open the polystar tool. Select the yellow color for star for the properties and draw a star on the stage. Okay, in this way draw a star on the stage. Step 4, right click on the frame 10. Step 5, right click on the frame 10. This is frame 10. Step 5, a shortcut menu appears. Then what happens, students? A shortcut menu appear. Okay, 1 minute, students. Select the insert keyframe option. Select the paint bucket tool and change the color of the star to pink. Okay, then select the paint bucket tool. Okay, and changes the color into pink color. Repeat stage 4 to 6 at frame number 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60 with different colors for your star. Press the enter key to see your color changing star. Okay, when you do this all procedure, then your colors of then you can change your star color, okay, more than one time. Okay students, now wait. You can make the star blink with more speed by changing color at every 5th frame instead of every 10th frame. Okay, you can blink the star means जो स्टार की ब्लिंकिंग की प्रोसेस है उसको आप बढ़ा सकते हो और उसके कलर को भी आप चेंज कर सकते हो. अगर किस तरह से, उसके लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? फॉर एवरी 5th फ्रेम इंस्टेड ऑफ एवरी 10th फ्रेम. टेस्टिंग एंड प्लेइंग अ मूवी. Testing an animation for movie is important so as to know that the animation you have done will play in other movie playing software or video players. To test your movie, follow this step. Step first, click on the control menu. Step second, hover your mouse pointer over test movie to open a submenu. Step third, click on test to open a separate windows which plays the animation. The window show you how your movie will appear on screen if it is open separately in a video player or if it is forms part of your web page. Okay students, now wait for some time. Okay, these are some steps for testing and playing movie. First click on this is the, I can't see this option, but this option is a control option. Okay, then next is this is the control option and this is the test menu. When you click on this test menu, in this way the new menu is appear and then select on test. Okay, then the movie will start. In this way you can play movie. Okay, movie means what? This type of animation. Okay, नाउ स्टूडेंट्स इसके बाद वाला जो पार्ट है उसको अभी हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में देखेंगे. ओके, नाउ बाय स्टूडेंट्स.